Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 19th of February 2020. So China shut down, fear spark, dip buying frenzy in stocks as gold soars and yield curve inverts. We'll look at that in just a moment. Never go full retard, very funny. Which obviously a take on buying the dips when the market's at the all-time highs. So let's have a look, see what the market did just after being closed on Monday. We can see that prices moved sharply lower before the buying came in at the end, and now we're off back towards the highs. So yeah, definitely lunacy to be buying stocks at this level. It's great to speculate in scalping the market or having a couple of days trade on the buy side after a shakeout, but certainly wouldn't want to buy any overvalued stocks at this level, that's for sure. So the market once again doing its stuff, heading towards the highs. The market catching up yesterday with the coronavirus news and moving down. It did try to move higher, but the 200 bar moving average just gave it a lot of grief, and the market then moved lower. But by the end of the day, if we just have a look at this, get the right tool, the 76% retracement from this high down to this low will have come back the majority of the 76% retracement, and more or less perfect move back to the upside there. So no surprise to see this, and then of course overnight the markets have moved to the upside as well, bouncing off the 200 moving average, which we see here coming through, and then off the DP level as well. So again, patterns consistent. There is no major news this week to move the markets. Today there's only the one CPI, that's from the UK. There is no US news to move the markets, or is there? Oh, we have actually. We've got the FOMC meeting minutes at 7 p.m. So keep an eye on this one. I don't think that's the full meeting, is it? I think that's sort of this interim one that they have now. Whatever, 7 p.m. this evening, there is a meeting minutes are released. So there's no interest rate forecast there. So I'm assuming we only had it 2 weeks ago. So I would say this is some sort of interim thing that they release now, a report on the report, about the report. So yeah, that's the stock market. For me, it's a bit of a no-brainer. The markets, they're going to do the best they can to continue to move the markets to the upside. And Bitcoin moving to the upside once more after the shakeout over the last few days. But once again, also, we have a look here from the high to the low. It stops at 76% and turning down. On the overnight, in the 4 hour, we can see the market doing its bit of a bounce there. And also, again, if we look at the markup from the high to this low, market stops bang on 76%, having bounced through the 200 bar moving average. And yesterday it was fairly quiet as normal, as you can see. Then all of a sudden there seemed to be some sort of a move to the upside, which you can see there, steady actually, as opposed to the normal spike that we've seen of late. But once again, we're back in the $50 to $75 trading range for this market. So really, again, the focus for me at the moment is the stock market. A lot of volatility in this, nice moves in this, 100-point moves each day, more than a 100-point move actually at the moment. You see there yesterday, 150 points, nearly 200 points for the Dow. Okay, that will do it for this one. Let's see how things pan out today. Remember the FOMC meeting minutes this evening at 7 p.m. Otherwise, like I say, it's all focus on the stock market, and the coronavirus seems to have gone a bit quiet at the moment as well. With that, I will conclude. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.